It's currently 3:30. I'm gonna make myself a little drink because I'm about to start doing some homework and I love having something to sip on while I do it. I'm gonna put some ice in here. You guys probably know I love these little emergency drinks. I have the pink lemonade ones right now. I just put it over the ice and then I pour some water in there and then fill the rest with lemonade. These drinks are just good for your immune system and I just like the taste, so I drink these pretty often. Okay, before I fully get to work, I wanna make sure I have my plans for the week written down because I will forget if they are not in here. It is a brand new week. Guys, update on my midterms. In my college week in my life video that I recently did, I was telling you guys I was taking midterms and I was stressing big time, but I have an update. I did pretty good on all of my midterms. I got 2 A's and 1 B+, so I'm honestly very happy with that. The B+ was the one I was really scared for, and it turns out I did good. Honestly, I was shooting for a B. It was pretty hard. But now I need to write down what I'm doing for the week. The first thing I can think of is that I have a hair appointment at 10:30 on Thursday, which I'm super excited about. I just don't like my hair right now. I got just like a blunt cut the last time I was there and I really don't like the shape. Basically, I just miss my layers and I want to get it lightened just a tiny bit for summer. So I'm really excited. I am also going to LA on Friday. So I'm really excited about that. One of my friends is having a little birthday party and I'm gonna get to see another one of my LA friends who I haven't seen in forever, so I'm so excited. I have another interview this Tuesday for my internship. Long story short, I'm partnering with a girl named Bella who is also in my internship to do a bunch of interviews with UCSB students who have something like creative or inspiring about them. I make little documentary style TikToks out of it and she's the one that is like actually interviewing them and writing an article about it. So that's been really cool to work on. So I have another one this Tuesday, I think at 1. All I'm gonna be doing for the rest of the day is working on an essay that is due tomorrow night. So we are gonna try to knock out as much of it as I can today. I just really want to focus and get this done. I hate procrastinating, but you guys already know I have my little study set up that I like to do where I light my candle, listen to my music, have something to drink. I usually just throw my phone on the couch so I'm not tempted to go on it. So we're putting it, oh, that was not a very good throw. It's on the ground right now, but it can stay there. It is a bit later. It's kind of a lot later actually. It's 7:30 right now. I've been working on my paper since the last time I talked to you guys, or at least I've been trying to. Honestly, it's been hard for me to focus, but I have made a dent in the paper, which is good, and I'm gonna keep working on it tonight. So yeah, I also ate dinner, and before I get back to work, I have a couple packages to open, and one of them I do not know what it is, so let's do this one first. This is always very exciting for me. Ooh, okay. We have a package from Redken. This is a new collection of theirs. I actually have the heat protectant, and I got it from my hairstylist, which I talked about in my glow up video. So that is super nice. I'm excited about these. Thank you so much to Redken. I've really been on my healthy hair game recently. Now this package is from Wildflower Cases and I ordered this myself. I had been eyeing it for a minute now. So I got the leopard case. We have some stickers and then this is the actual case. I just think it's really cute. I've noticed that leopard print is becoming popular again and I love it. I am going to put this on my phone right now. I also love this case. It's the hot pink aura one, but let's switch it over. This is so fun. I love it, but it is time to get back to work. Good morning, everyone. I almost forgot that I was vlogging today, but let's get ready. We have some stuff to do today. I need to finish my essay. I need to go grocery shopping and we have the interview today. So it is 10 a.m. I haven't really done anything to get ready today, so we're gonna do that. I can actually take my time today, which is exciting. I feel like I'm always rushing getting ready since I have early classes, but today I am going to take my time. I'm gonna watch The Bachelor and I'm gonna have my little drink. I was just talking to you guys for a couple minutes and then realized I was not recording. I was basically saying that I forgot that I had put dry shampoo in my hair before I started filming this morning, so if my hair looked gray at all, then that is why. I'm also just very, very excited to get it done. I cannot wait to actually feel confident again, honestly. I did not think that my hair would affect my confidence this much, but it really has. But today, I'm not sure what I'm wearing yet, but I think it'll be warm enough to where I can wear a short sleeve, which is exciting. I haven't done that in a long time. I was also also thinking before I go on my trip this weekend, I kind of want to try to self-tan for the first time, but I have no idea if I will have time for that, so we will see. I hope I can get my essay done early in the day today so that I have time to like maybe get ahead on other stuff like editing this video or working on like my final projects and stuff like that, because that is coming up in less than 3 weeks, which is so wild. Guys, the quarter system moves quick. And I knew that going into it, but it's surprising how fast you're actually going. And the fact that when I'm done with this quarter, it's not summer break. I have a whole other quarter to do next. That is just, I'm really trying not to think about that, honestly. Yeah, that will not be fun. It's okay. We're gonna push through. And then at least I get a long summer break, which is nice. If I don't do summer school, who knows what's gonna happen, honestly. School has been so stressful ever since I have gotten to UCSB. It's been a lot harder, honestly, but obviously I wouldn't change anything. I do like that I feel like I'm being challenged and I feel like I'm really learning. But yeah, it definitely has been harder. Okay, I am talking too much. I'm gonna start The Bachelor. I'm excited. Let me know your thoughts if you're watching it right now. No spoilers. And I will talk to you guys when I am done with my makeup. And picked out my outfit. My hair might look a little bit intense right now since the curls are like so tight. By the time I have to like go outside of the house, I'm sure it'll be fine. But here is the outfit that I picked out. I'm gonna wear this little off the shoulder San Diego top. This is from Hollister. I cut the neckline off of this. Also, I've seen a couple people asking how I cut the necklines off of my shirts. All you do is cut off like right below this line. Like you just follow it. I feel like some people think you have to like cut like this. You really don't need to cut a lot because it's gonna stretch out. That's what I did with this top. I'm sure most of you knew how to do that, but I did see a couple questions about it. I'm gonna wear this little bralette underneath. I love wearing bralettes like this under off the shoulder tops because I feel like it's just really comfy. And then I'm going to wear these jeans. These are from Hollister. We are repping Hollister today. Let's try it on. All right, here is my outfit. I forgot how much I like these jeans. I feel like these are really comfy and flattering. This is where I put my phone every time I film a little 75 hard style challenge video. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go check out my TikTok if you want. I've been posting my outfit every single day. Today is day 23 or something like that. So it's been really fun and has definitely been forcing me to put more effort into my appearance every day, which I honestly need. I think it's good for me. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna throw my sweatshirt back on because it's still cold in my apartment. And until my interview, which is in only an hour and a half, I thought I had more time. We are just going to probably eat something and try to just knock my essay out. I definitely won't be able to finish it by then, but I'm gonna try to get as much done as possible so that I don't have to spend the entire day stressing about it. So that's the plan. It is a bit later. Obviously, I'm back home now. We are done with the interview. It went well. I have to edit the one from last week today, and Brayden are actually gonna go to a coffee shop in a little bit because we both just have some work to do. So hopefully there I will be able to finish my essay. So yeah, the rest of the day for me is going to just be getting work done so that I can have a fun weekend. I ended up not being able to get a ton of work done at the coffee shop because on the way there, my tire low pressure light came on, but it kind of worked out because we were right across from the place that I get my tires rotated and whatever, I don't know. So I just stopped by there and was like, hey, can you check if like my tires are fine? Because I just got them rotated last week and they were good. So that worked out well because I would have been very nervous to go to LA this weekend if we hadn't been able to like get it checked. So anyways, I got a few things at Target just to last me over the next few days. My recent obsession has been Madeleines. They are so good, and I don't know how I had never really had them before. I think I had tried them once a long time ago, but I guess I just forgot about them. I really like these. I got some lettuce, a few bananas because I love having bananas in the morning before classes. I'm not a big breakfast person, so I always just have an Activia and a banana, and I feel like that fills me up the perfect amount because I'm never that hungry. These are so good. And last but not least, we did a little fun purchase. Got some earrings. I'm actually going to a drag brunch this weekend for Rachel's birthday, and so I thought these really big ones would be so fun to wear. I'm so excited to get dressed up for this weekend and stuff. That is all I got from Target. I have a headache and I feel really nauseous from the coffee. Sometimes coffee makes me nauseous. I don't know why. Let me know if that happens to any of you guys too. But yeah, I just don't feel good right now and I have a headache and I just want to sit on the couch and drink some water and watch The Bachelor before I finish my essay. I have less than a page left, so it really should not take too long. So I am going to relax for a bit before we get back to work. for class in 8 minutes, and this is what I look like right now. I am going to throw on the tiniest bit of makeup. I have no idea what I'm gonna do today with my hair or outfit, but it will probably not be anything special. Adding some fake freckles. Since I had my hair curled the past few days, I feel like I could get away with just brushing it. I don't know, the front pieces look a little weird. Honestly, I'm just gonna leave it. Made another one of my little drinks. I got horrible sleep last night. I drank coffee way too late in the day, and so I was up until probably like 2 a.m. I have to get up early a lot this quarter, and so I've been really trying to fix my sleep schedule, and the latest that'll go to bed is like 10:30. I like to be sitting in bed by 9:30 because it takes me a while to fall asleep, so that way I'll be asleep by like 11 or something. I don't know. But anyways, I just could not sleep, and then I had to wake up early, and it was so difficult. So it is currently 12:40. I made another one of my little emergency drinks to use as a chaser for this little like wellness shot. So basically this is good for focus, energy, stress relief, and immunity. It's the brand Magic Mind, and I do really like these. They really don't taste that bad. The first time I had it, I definitely was overreacting if you watched that vlog where I tried it, but the more I've had it, the more I'm like, wait, this literally tastes like how matcha tastes to me as someone who doesn't really like it, or like a green juice or something. I actually don't really drink green juice, so I don't know why I'm saying that. I'm not the most reliable source, but I promise they're not that bad. Okay, let's take it. It's definitely not amazing, but it is better for me than coffee. I feel like I've been letting myself slip a lot with drinking coffee. Whenever I drink too much coffee and I get in the routine of like drinking it every day around a certain time, my sleep starts getting worse. I start getting headaches more. I crash halfway through the day at like 3 o'clock or so. I get so tired, and it's just not fun. I am so much more energetic when I am not having caffeine all the time. So this is my way of like getting myself back into not drinking coffee every day. Did my nail fall off? When did that happen? I do not remember that happening. Oh my god, there's a nail somewhere. Don't know where. I can't even remember what I was saying, but basically I took this because I'm so tired, but I don't want to have coffee because I'm trying to get out of that habit and have it go back to being more of like a treat. So anyways, for the next hour or so, I am going to sit down and do a new set of nails because clearly I need it. This hand is actually not even that bad, but my thumb is missing. I have an idea of what I want to do in my head. I don't have any like inspo pictures, so we're just gonna hope that it turns out good. And while I do my nails, I'm gonna watch a movie for a class that I have tomorrow. So let's get started. Are done. I'm so happy with how they turned out. I went a little bit extra on them. I wasn't gonna do any of the special stuff except for this nail. The star was always gonna be there, but like all the extra designs on the other nails I was not planning on doing, but I decided to kind of treat myself and go all out on them because I really wanted to have cute nails for this weekend. Later, I'm actually going to self-tan for the first time. I got some self-tan as PR and I really want to try it out, especially for this weekend. I thought that that would be really fun, but yeah, that's what I'm gonna do for the rest of the night. I'll probably put these on my nails tomorrow. I don't know, we'll see what happens, but I will talk to you guys later. I just rinsed off my self-tan from last night, and for the first time doing it, I feel like it looks pretty decent. There's some little spots that are maybe like a little bit weird, especially around my ankles. I feel like that's where it looks the worst, but overall, I feel like it's pretty good. I'm happy with it. Ignore my hair, I just put it up to take a shower, but I have my hair appointment in less than an hour, so I need to get ready really quick. I want to do my makeup so that I can actually look and feel good, but I'm in a rush, so I will see you guys when I'm on my way. All right, I am outside of the hair place. I'm a little bit early, which is nice. I really did not think that I was gonna be early, but here's my hair right now. This is the color. The ends are a little bit lighter because this is the part that was bleached, so there you can really see the difference, I feel like. Probably a weird way of showing it, but whatever. Up until probably like here is my natural color, but we're gonna go a little bit lighter. I am at Salon Patine in Santa Barbara, and I go to Natalie. My low tire pressure light just came on, which sucks sucks because I'm going to LA tomorrow and this is like the worst timing. I can't remember if I said anything about this in this video, but I just got my tires rotated. And then the other day the light came back on, so I went to the place to get checked out again. They were like, yeah, it looks fine. Maybe something to do with like the sensors battery or something. But I'm a little bit more worried about it being like a nail in one of my tires that's like slowly causing a leak, I guess. I don't really know. But today I'm gonna have to take it back to the tire place. So maybe I'll do that on my way home from this appointment. We're gonna figure this out. Everything's gonna be fine. Everything will work out. And my hair's gonna look great in a couple hours. So once again, the before, and I'll see you guys in the after. Guys, here is the finished hair. It might not look super different in this lighting, but I love it. There's like some really subtle lighter strands in the front. I did a balayage with like some caramel tones. I hope you can tell. It looks so natural, which I really like. I was afraid of it looking really stripey because I feel like that's how highlights can be sometimes, but I think it looks so good. The color is perfect. Here's another view of what it looks like in different lighting. We also did my layers again. We did long layers. Guys, I was there for so long. It took 5 hours, which I forgot how long it takes to go lighter because I haven't gone lighter in over a year. I've just been getting it like darker or just doing haircuts. So it took a long time, but honestly, that's fine because that means that it was done the proper way. I think she did a great job. Again, I will have her Instagram on the screen. And afterwards, I went to go get my tires checked out and they were all good. My sensor is just being weird. So we are good to drive to LA tomorrow. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day and I will see you guys next week. Bye.